Hey y'all, what's up? It's Z to the I to the A to the S-I-A. It's your girl Asia, and I'm back once again to slay a day. Hey guys, so yes, I'm feeling this wig I got on, you feel me? Let me give y'all a spin. Okay, here we go, boom. But before we get into all that, you feel me? If you love all things beauty, fashion, and fun, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, because as you can see, I slay and I have a fun time doing it. I would love for you to join me. This is Sensationnel, of course. Who else? This is the Sensationnel Maria in the color Jet Black. It is actually from their Cloud 9 Swiss Lace Wig Dream Muse series, and this is actually a silk-based lace frontal. Yes, get into this. On top of that, she is a human hair blend. Okay, so this is not all synthetic hair. I'll wear her down, but it's just a little too hot to be having all of this human hair blend, whatever they want to call it, all down my back. So a quick style that will get all your hair up but will not expose you, you know, or have your tracks hanging out, is a goddess braid, halo braid, or a crown braid, whatever you guys want to call it. All I know is that it is my favorite protective style. Whenever I wear my natural hair out, I always put it into a crown braid. It's just so easy. It's actually sexy. Okay, I'm pushing it. It's not sexy, it's stylish. So all you're going to need for this is some bobby pins, a wide tooth comb, and some edge control. So we're just going to comb her out. She is so easy to comb through. She has such a realistic sheen. I love it. This is actually the first affordable wig I've ever tried. I had it in T1B27, but it was the first cheap wig that I got, and I bought it online, and I was so happy. So I had to move this part to the middle because it's not going to work otherwise. It actually looks pretty good with the middle part. I feel like that's just the hair, because it's definitely not me. I'm just going to part this hair in the back. Doesn't have to be perfect because you won't see it. I'm going to start on this side. Separate the hair into 3 strands and start braiding. It might be a good idea to use a scrunchie on the end. I don't have one, so I'm just going to do without. But after you finish wrapping, you're just going to go ahead and take the end and tuck it behind your gorgeous crown braid and use bobby pins to secure it. I'm going to give you a 360. It also might be a good idea to just bring a little bit down like that. I mean, I already got sideburns. I don't need no more, but just bring a little bit down. You feel me? Just a little bit. Just throw a little sauce on it. That's all. That's all. That's all that is. And there you have it. A magnificent crown braid. Okay guys, so there you have it. that is my easy way to style a lace frontal wig into a goddess halo / crown braid, whatever you guys want to call it. Yeah, as you can see, it's really easy, really quick, convenient, and you know, just the best. So that's why I love it, and that's why I thought I would share it with you guys. If you found this video helpful, please give me a big thumbs up. And congratulations to the giveaway winner, Sean L. I will be shipping your wig out this week. If it isn't already by the time I post this video, you'll definitely be receiving that wig soon. And for all of you guys who entered and didn't win, I'm sorry, but please please continue to show me love. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for your chance to win. And I will see you